Assalamualaikum. I am Fahim Akhtar from Multan Public School and College Multan. Today we will do exercise 2b. The topic is inverse function. What is inverse function? If a function f maps x to y, then its inverse function maps y to x. In general, if y is equal to fx or fx is equal to y, then inverse f inverse y will be x. Question number 1, the statement is a function is defined by fx is equal to 1 by 4x minus 3. Find the inverse function f inverse x. Now the function is given fx is equal to 1 by 4x minus 3. Let, first of all, we'll suppose or let fx is equal to y or y is equal to fx. Then its inverse will be f inverse y is equal to x. Y is equal to fx. Y is equal to fx function value is 1 by 4x minus 3. Y plus 3 is equal to 1 by 4x. Here we will make a subject of the formula with respect to x. So 4 into y plus 3 is equal to x, or x is equal to 4 into y plus 3. So f inverse y, because x is equal to f inverse y, so f inverse y is equal to 4 into y plus 3, and f inverse x will be 4 into x plus 3. So function f inverse x is equal to 4 into x plus 3. Now question number 4, the statement is a function h is defined by hx is equal to 5x plus 6. Express h inverse in similar form and hence evaluate the following: h inverse 6, h inverse 10, h inverse minus 2 by 5, h inverse 12 whole 1 by 2. Now we will solve it. The function h into x is equal to 5x plus 6, which is given. Let, first we will find its inverse. So we will suppose or let y is equal to h into x, and y is equal to hx function is 5x plus 6. Y minus 6 is equal to 5x. When you will replace, you will change plus 6 into left side, the sign will be changed. So y minus 6 is equal to 5x, and y minus 6 over 5 is equal to x, or x is equal to y minus 6 over 5. When you will change in inverse, so h inverse y will be y minus 6 over 5, and when you will change the variable inverse variable with x, so h inverse x will be x minus 6 over 5. So inverse h inverse x is equal to x minus 6 over 5. First part, h inverse 6 we want to find. H inverse 6, so you will put the value of x, which is 6. So h inverse 6 is equal to 6 minus 6 over 5. 6 is the value of x. So 6 minus 6 over 5, 0 over 5 mean 0. So h inverse 6 is equal to 0. Similarly, second part, h inverse 10 we will find. H inverse x function, h inverse x given x minus 6 over 5. So just you will put the value of x, which is 10. So h inverse 10 is equal to 10 minus 6 over 5. X value is 10. So 10 minus 6 over 5, 4 over 5 is the answer of h inverse 10. Similarly, third part, h inverse minus 2 by 5. H, put the value of x, which is minus 2 by 5 in the function. H inverse minus 2 by 5 is equal to minus 2 by 5 minus 6 over 5, or minus 2 by 5 minus 6 divide 5 you can write. Simplify it. take LCM. 5 is the LCM. So minus 2 minus 30 over 5, multiply 1 over 5, minus 2 minus 30 means minus 32, and 5 multiply 5, 25. This is the answer of H inverse minus 2 by 5. Then third part, H inverse, fourth part, H inverse 12 whole 1 by 2. Put the value of x 12 whole 1 by 2 in the function. H inverse 12 whole 1 by 2 is equal to 12 whole 1 by 2 minus 6 over 5. 12 whole 1 by 2 means 25 by 2 minus 6 divide 5, or 25 minus 12 over 2 multiply 1 over 5. 25 minus 12 13, and 2 multiply 5 is 10. So answer is 13 by 10, or 1 whole 3 by 10. Now we will do question number 7. Question number 7 is, given the function fx is equal to 7 minus 3 by 5x and g into x is equal to 1 by 4x minus 6, find f inverse 4 minus g inverse 4. Now first of all we will write fx, which is given 7 minus 3 by 5x. We will find its inverse. So let y is equal to fx, y is equal to fx is equal to 7 minus 3 by 5x, and 3 you can write 3 by 5x is equal to 7 minus y, 3x is equal to 5 multiplied with 7 minus y, and x is equal to 5 into 7 minus y over 3. You can write inverse with variable y as 5 inverse y is equal to 5 into 7 minus y over 3. Hence the function with x, f inverse x is equal to 5 into 7 minus x over 3. So this is the function f inverse x is 5 into 7 minus x over 3. Now we want to find f inverse 4. What is the value of f inverse 4? Just you will put the value of 4 in x. So f inverse x mean f inverse 4 is equal to 5 into 7 minus 4, because x value is 4 over 3. When we will simplify, 5 into 7 minus 4, 3, 5 3 is a 15 over 3, 3 5 is a 15. So f inverse 4, where answer is 5. Similarly, gx function is given, which is 1 by 4x minus 6. Let y is equal to y is equal to gx, and y is equal to gx function is 1 by 4x minus 6, and y plus 6 is equal to 1 by 4x, and 4 multiplied with y plus 6. So 4 into y plus 6 is equal to x, or x is equal to 4 into y plus 6. Now g inverse y is equal to 4 into y plus 6. Hence g inverse x will be 4 into x plus 6. And we want to find g inverse 4 value. Just put the value of 4 in x. G inverse 4 is equal to 4 into 4 plus 6. 4 is the value of x. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 4 is 40. So G inverse 4 is 40. We want to find f inverse 4 minus G inverse 4. F inverse 4 value is 5 and G inverse 4 value is 40. 5 minus 40 is minus 35 is the answer. Next question is question number 4. The statement of question number 4 is, given that fx is equal to ax square plus bx and f into minus 2 is equal to 20, means f into minus 2 value is 20 and f into 4 is equal to 32. F into 4 is equal to 32. Then find the value of a and b. Function is given fx is equal to ax square plus bx. Put the value of x, which is minus 2. F into minus 2. So you will put the value of x minus 2 in the function. f into minus 2 is equal to a into x value is minus 2, so minus, because it's a x square, so minus 2 square, plus b into x value is minus 2. F into 2 minus 2 is equal to a minus 2 square is 4, minus 2 square is positive 4, so 4 you will write minus plus minus minus 2b. 4a minus 2b, f into minus 2 value is given in question, which is 20. So 20 is equal to 4a minus 2b, and 20 is equal to 2, you will take common, 2a minus b, then 2 divided by 20, so 2 10 the 20, so 10 is equal to 2a minus b, it's your first equation. Similarly, the function fx is given ax square plus bx. F into 4 means you will put the value of 4 in x. F into 4 is equal to a into 4 square, because it's x square, so x value is 4, so a into 4 square plus b into x value is 4. F into 4 value is given, which is equal to 32. 4 square is 16, so 16a plus 4b. 32 is equal to 4, you will take common, so 4a plus b, and 4 divided by 32, 4 is the 32, 8 is equal to 4a plus b, it's equation 2. So equation 1 is 10 is equal to 2a minus b, or 2a minus b is equal to 10, and equation 2 is 4a plus b is equal to 8. By adding these two equations, first you will write equation first, which is 2a minus b is equal to 10, and second equation 4a plus b is equal to 8. When you will add it, minus b plus b cancel, 2a 4a added 6a, 10 and 8 18, so a is equal to 18 by 6, 6 3 is 18, so a value is 3. Put this a is equal to 3, a value in any equation. We will put in equation 1, put a, you can also put a value in equation 2, is depend upon you. Put a is equal to 3 in equation 1. So equation 1 is 2a minus b is equal to 10. 2 into a value is 3, 2 3 is 6, minus b is equal to 10. 6 minus b is equal to 10, and 6 minus 10 is equal to b. So 6 minus 10 is minus 4 is equal to b. So b value is minus 4. Hence the two values a and b are 3 and minus 4, where a value is 3 and b value is minus 4. So dear students, this is your assignment, that you will do exercise 2b, remaining question 2, 3, 5, 6 with the help of these questions. So stay home, stay safe, good luck.